Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing cardboard with the right stiffness for your box, thinner for lightweight contents, double wall for heavier loads. Once chosen, measure and mark the base and 4 side panels directly on the cardboard, adding a 0. 5 to 1 cm seam allowance for joining. You should cut a template if uncertain. It speeds accuracy. Make sure to orient the flute direction along the height for strength. Begin cutting along straight lines slowly, so edges stay square and aligned. You now cut the panels and score the fold lines so flaps fold cleanly without tearing. Scoring controls where the board collapses and keeps corners sharp. Once done, cut tabs sized 1 to 2 centimeters for adhesive. These are the only places you glue or tape. Make sure to test fold each panel to confirm fit, and trim any high spots so edges meet flush. When everything nests correctly, clean up dust and loose fibers so the glue bonds evenly. You assemble by applying adhesive to the tabs, align edges, and press firmly. Use clamps or heavy books to hold corners while the glue sets. Once cured, reinforce interior corners with thin strips for shear strength and run tape along edges that will see abrasion. This prevents fraying. If seams gap, add a small bead of glue and press again. Troubleshooting tip. If corners splay, remove excess glue, realign using a square. Then add reinforcing strips to regain rigidity and preserve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.